How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up the Thrustmaster T300 on your PlayStation 5. So I'm going to refer on the official manual of the Thrustmaster T300. And basically the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that everything is set up. Basically connect your wheel or the base onto a wall outlet. And then you want to connect the USB port right here or the plugged onto the actual pedals. And lastly, you want to connect the connector or the USB to your PlayStation 5 USB port. So it's going to be on the front face of the PS5. So you just want to plug it onto the USB port. And from there, we are now ready to basically set it up. Now, from here, you want to set the USB sliding switch on the racing wheelbase to PS4 and PS5. So basically, the T300 has different modes right here. You can press the mode button in order to switch between those modes. So for PS5, it's going to be red, for PlayStation 4, green, and for PC, it's going to be green right here. PlayStation orange, I mean. Now, you want to go ahead and press the mode button, and from there you will be able to switch between those modes. And the only thing that you have to do is to press the PlayStation button on the wheel, and then it will basically calibrate itself. And you just want to wait for it. Don't disturb the wheel from calibrating itself automatically. So just let the process to finish, and from there you're instantly good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.